transportation and travel tickets.
Berlin is served by Berlin-Brandenburg Airport, Willy Brandt, located about 20 kilometers south of the city center. With the closure of Terminal 5 in 2021, formerly Schönefeld Airport, the facility now consists of the efficient Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, which are passed through by tens of millions of passengers each year. The most convenient way to reach various points in the city and the region is through the train station located on level U2 of Terminal 1. Here you have available the fastest airport express, which takes you to Berlin Hauptbahnhof, the central station, in 30 minutes. Urban and suburban trains, known as S-Bahn, S9, and S45. Various regional trains with destinations that can be checked on the official website or app. There are also numerous buses and shuttles available. Alternatively, you can use a taxi service and numerous car sharing or car rental companies. This table will help you familiarize yourself with the logos identifying the different types of public transportation in the city. The good news is that Berlin has an integrated ticketing system that allows you to use the same ticket for all public transport. In addition to planning your journeys, you can consult and purchase the most suitable ticket for your needs through the VBB and BVG websites and apps. For tourists, specific options such as the Berlin Welcome Card and the City Tour Card are available, allowing you to use all public transport in the city for periods ranging from 48 hours to 6 days. These tickets also include discounts and free entry to numerous tourist attractions. The price of the ticket will vary based on the area of use. For a tourist card, it is advisable to include all areas, as the airport is located in Zone C and the price difference is minimal. Although trams and buses are efficient, the subway remains the most practical and fastest means of transport, as demonstrated by our fantastic animated tour that we highly recommend you watch. Key info: you can also purchase tickets at ticket machines located at stations. Tickets must be validated at the start of each journey. You can bring your bike on public transport by paying a supplement. In subways and trams, access with bicycles is permitted only in designated areas, provided there is sufficient space. If the train is full, you will need to wait for the next one. Berlin's public transport system also includes 6 ferry lines, all managed by BVG. Finally, to explore the city, you can use the bike sharing services offered by several companies.